Hello, classmates. My name is Wilshawn Alexander, and my partner Claudio Gomez are thrilled to show and discuss our student-inspired state diagram with you all. In our first step, we are starting our journey, registering to waking. When a student signs up for courses, they transition from the registration process to becoming free to engage in personal activities and preparing for their academic journey. Our next step is beginning the study phase, waking to learning. The student now decides to shift from their personal activities to start focusing on academic work such as attending classes and studying. Next is when a student wants to pause their study. This is from learning back to waking. The student may need a break or is interrupted, so they temporarily stop studying and return to engaging in personal activities. Now, going back to the learning state, say the student just needs a break. During study sessions, the student may feel hungry and shift their focus from learning to eating. And this is similar to how a process may need to request a resource. When the student wants to resume the activity, this step is from eating to waking. Once mealtime is over, the student transitions back to personal activities, refresh, and ready to continue. Now, what if the student was on the learning state and wanted to take a rest break? This is learning to sleeping. The student may need to take a break from studying and actually go to sleep, which pauses their academic activities. Thank you. Now, Mr. Gomez will discuss more process transitions with you all.
Hello class, welcome to the second part of this presentation. My name is Gomez and I will continue discussing the state diagram we created. At the end of the day, after spending time on personal activities, the student transitions to rest and sleep, pausing all activities. This is the walking to sleep transition or end day. Our next step is the after meal phase, from eating to sleeping state. After a meal, the student might choose to sleep, taking a break from any other tasks. Now, when the student wakes up, they return to their personal activities, ready to begin their day again. This is sleeping to waking transition or wake up. Our next step is from sleeping to eating or morning meal. Upon waking, the student may go straight to eating, preparing for the day ahead. Finally, finished course is from the learning to completing state, when the student completes their coursework, including assignments, exams, and projects. The academic journey from the term ends, similar to a process completing its execution. While there are many possible transitions in real life, we have chosen to simplify this representation to align with a basic operating system process state diagram. This approach helps streamline the flow and optimize the duration of this video. Thanks for your time. We would love to hear your questions, concerns, and feedback below.